Over the weekend, we learned the state's Department of Health and Human Services issued a notice of emergency agency action to Safe and Sound Services, LLC. Now we're learning more agencies are opening their own investigations into this case.
You would hope that everyone would know better than to leave people in a vehicle, in a garage for that long with a car running. I feel terrible for their families. It's just a very tragic and sad situation.
A probable cause statement shows that 25-year-old Isaiah Palou stopped at his West Valley apartment for more than 3 hours on Friday to watch TV and eat. During that time, he left 25-year-old Colton Moser, 22-year-old Moza Atimoa, and 39-year-old Tim Jones in a running car in his garage. He found them dead when he returned. Nate Krippus with the Disability Law Center says he couldn't find words to describe the situation when he learned of it. But now his agency is among several taking action. We learned over the weekend that DHHS put conditions on Safe and Sound Services' day treatment license. And we obtained the state's notice today, which shows that the LLC cannot take in new clients, and they must immediately retrain all staff on safe practices for transportation and supervision of those clients. Those conditions will last for 30 days while the state investigates further. The company's website has since been taken down, reading that it's now under maintenance. Krippus says his center is opening its own independent investigation to shed more light on what's happened.
At a minimum, I think they need to be under, heavy scrutiny to make sure that everything is being done as it should be. Hopefully we will get to the facts and what we need to figure out what we can do to really prevent anything like this from ever happening again.
And the state's notice indicates that Safe and Sound has until Wednesday to request an administrative hearing if they disagree with the action that's been taken. As of now, they've not yet done so. In Salt Lake City, I'm Jeremy Toms, Fox 13 News, Utah.